Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here again today. Got another unboxing for you. Before I get into this, I just wanted to say that I did have to have another eye surgery, so that's why I haven't posted in a couple weeks here. And recovery is taking a little bit of time, but I'm in a good place and on the road to recovery, so I'm grateful for that. But it's just taking some extra time. So we have here is a Monoprice Harmony Bluetooth speaker. I think this is a model that's been around for a while, but as you know, I'm always looking for a solution as like a mini soundbar for my iPad while I travel. And I've tried different things. You might have seen the review of that Vox speaker bar. Didn't really work out. Here you go. I believe this is, let's see, yes, USB-C charging. Sorry for bumping you there. That's cool. Wonder if there is a charging port in here. I'd be surprised if there was. Oh, so we gotta do, pull this up. This is gonna push it out, okay? This one I'm thinking might be too small. I have heard the older Harmony soundbars, and they were okay, but I wasn't super impressed. I was more hoping that this would be a good size, but yeah, it might be too small. It's like a, I thought this was like a door or something loose, but see there, it's a bass radio on the back there. This is just a basic Bluetooth speaker. I think it's stereo. Looking to see if there is an aux input on this. That would be very handy. Come here. Oh, yep. There you go. Charging and aux input. I'm afraid this might be too small for my needs, but we will see. I may post a review of this coming up soon. But I thank you for watching this video, and I hope to be posting more videos as soon as I can. I just have to be careful, take it easy on my eye, but I would like to be able to get one out sooner than later. Hopefully we can do that. So if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe. Also check out Patreon and buy me a cup of coffee. And remember, frugal doesn't necessarily mean cheap.